Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize pages and navigation menu bar in Wix. This is essential for creating a professional-looking website with easy navigation that helps your visitors find exactly what they're looking for. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From these options, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage all your website properties. Now you'll see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to look for the specific website where you want to add or customize your navigation menu. Once you've found the right website, look for the Edit Site button located at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This is your gateway to making changes to your site's design and layout. After clicking, you'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is where all the magic happens. Give it a moment to load fully so you can access all the editing tools you'll need. Once the editor is open, focus your attention on the left side menu. Here you'll find a button labeled Plus Add. Click on this button to reveal various elements you can add to your site. From the options presented, locate the menu section. This is where you'll find all the navigation menu styles available. Browse through the different navigation menu designs and select the one that best matches your website's style and aesthetic. When you've found the perfect navigation menu, you can either click on it to add it directly or drag it to the specific location where you want it to appear on your page. This flexibility allows you to position it exactly where it makes the most sense for your layout. To customize your navigation and add more menu items, double-click on the menu you just added. This will open up the customization panel. Look for the plus add item option. Here you'll have two choices. You can add a site pages option or a link/anchor option. This gives you control over whether you're linking to pages within your site or external URLs. To further customize each individual button in your navigation, locate the three-dot icon on the right side of each menu item. Clicking this will reveal several options. You can rename the button to make it more descriptive, change the link to point to a different destination, remove the link entirely if needed, or even duplicate the item if you need similar buttons. The change link function is particularly important because this is where you'll add the navigation URL for each button in your menu. Take your time here to ensure each link points to the correct destination. Once you've finished configuring everything and you're happy with how your navigation menu looks and functions, simply close the customization bar. Don't forget to click Publish to save all your changes. This ensures that your visitors will see your newly customized navigation menu when they visit your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.